can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up on the wrong side of my head, and I got all these eyes on me, staring at me through my screen. Most nights I just can't wait to lie down. So tired from my thoughts that keep on swirling around. Medication used to help me breathe. Now it feels like it's abusing me. 'Cause all of my thoughts take the air out of me, and I can't. Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you?
So I recently finished a book, The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. This is a children's book, but I don't think everybody should focus on that. It's not only meant for kids, it's for everybody. This story mainly focuses on our FMC Binya, and she trades her leopard claw for a beautiful blue silk umbrella. But that leopard claw is her lucky charm, and she's not supposed to trade that. At least that's what her mother thinks. As soon as she gets this umbrella, she obviously starts flaunting it whenever she takes her cows for a walk or running an errand, which makes everybody around her jealous of her and her umbrella. Some try to ask for it politely, whereas some try to take it forcibly. And this is where our story begins. It's a very short, fast-paced, and has a really cute illustrations. I enjoyed it thoroughly. That's why I gave it six stars. Yeah, 6 stars. So why not?
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walked down streets she's walked 1,000 times. At the AM at night, under palm tree lights, for the first time I came alive when summer died. I didn't want it to close its eyes on me. I shook off every warning. Sometimes you gotta know when to say goodbye. It didn't hurt at first, singing every word, but when I finally cut through blurry lines, I was horrified. Waiting in my room, when summer died. Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. Why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without? I'm falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like doing tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings.
So right now I'm on page number 92 and I'm halfway done with this book. Kind of a romance is really new for me. It's a small town cowboy romance. So far, surprisingly, I'm enjoying this one. Also, I just got call from Pepperfry and they will be picking up this sofa. After going back and forth for 2 weeks, they're finally picking this one. So what's the issue with the sofa? Why am I talking like I'm presenting in a bunch of students? So the issue with the sofa is basically like if you sit on one cushion, it's okay stiff, but if you sit on the other one, it just sinks you into a black hole, or you just feel like you're going in a khadda. And also the back cushion, they don't have any lumbar support, so merchant will take it and rectify the issue, and they have still not been convinced that there is any kind of issue. So finally they will get convinced, and after 10 to 15 days later they'll give it back to us after repairing or replacing it. I really don't know anything right now. We are both on the same page. After that, hopefully, we will not have any more issues. So that's the update with the sofa. I'll keep you updated with the book too. So what was I gonna talk about? Okay, so I just finished the book. Am I looking good? So I just finished the book and I really liked it. I think I was going into a slump and this book was it for me and it took me out of it. If you're looking for a small town cowboy, cowgirl kind of aesthetics with fluffy, heartwarming moments, I think this is it for you. Also, it's a fast-paced romance. It just has 250 pages, which was shocking. I did not know that it was going to be this short. I personally don't like when romances just drag on and on and on for 350 pages to 400 pages. Like, do we need that much of interaction, to be honest? Nope. But hey, it's just my opinion. And what else? Okay, if you want to know about this book, this romance is about Emmy and Luke. Emmy is a barrel racer. Google that shit. I'm not explaining anything. And Luke is a bar owner and they both grew up in the same town. When shit hits the fan, she comes back to her town and she's trying to figure out her problem by isolating herself, by keeping it in her head. Obviously, it's not gonna be working out for her. Luke comes into the picture. He's just existing there for her. He's not trying to use her vulnerabilities to just make her fall in love with him, but he's just existing. He's just there for her by supporting her. Whatever she needs, he's there for that. So I like that kind of romance, not using your vulnerabilities and problems to make you fall in love with them. So that's why I'm explaining this so much. So, and they have really cute banter. They have some funny moments, some wholesome moments with the family. Small town. If you want something like that, I think you should opt for this romance. I think it's a 3.5 to 3.75 read for me. Yeah. And also, it's a series. It's a Rider sibling series. And just now they focused on the younger sibling, which is Emmy. Then they'll move on to the middle child and finally the eldest one. So can't wait for that. And also, I don't want to flex, but I finished this book in 4 hours, 30 minutes. What's up?